Yahoo! Prof here with today's tech update, and today's a pretty big one. I've got some news. I actually got a new job over at it's a local IT company that does small business and up. I'm gonna say it's pretty much a step up from where I was at, but I'll be finishing up my current job and starting that within the week. It's been about 2 weeks or so since I accepted that. Well, for that job, we need some new hardware. As you guys know, I am a fan of the Happy Hacking keyboard. So, I actually really like the stock sound. I never had a reason to get a Type S. But that's got some noise. You might be able to hear it's raining real good out right now. But since it'll be in a somewhat officey environment, I thought I would treat my coworkers to something. Totally not myself, And yep, it's a Happy Hacking Keyboard Professional Hybrid, but it is a Type S. And I did get it in white instead of the dark gray. And that's more for ease of use because I will be using this for troubleshooting and stuff like that as well. If I have to hit F5, I can just hit F5 or function F5, like that. Or F12, spam that to get in the BIOS. Much easier to see on the white version than this dark gray. And I normally have fairly low lighting around the office here, just with these 4 lights in the corner. And I'll tell you, a lot of the times I'm counting. If I'm trying to hit a correct key, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like I'm not necessarily looking, but feeling by counting or whatever. And this will just make it easier for everyday work. And I'll give you a sound comparison here. Running most of that sound is on the way up. So the Type S essentially has like a piece of foam. There's like a plunger that goes up and down. It's on the bottom of the plunger, so when it comes up is when it's being more quiet. See, it's on the way up. So this thing's pretty darn. And what we're going to do is get it hooked up and programmed up so I can use it with my job. I'm probably going to, for a mouse, take that G604. And the reason being is I want one that is Bluetooth capable, which I do believe this one is. Or is this one just wireless? I will have to look that up again. I forget. But otherwise, for now, if that one's not Bluetooth, then we'll probably go with this one that I haven't shown you guys that I even have yet. The Corsair Keytar Pro Wireless. I'd love to use a 305, like this blue one here, but it does not have Bluetooth. And what I want is Bluetooth and either AAA or AA, just batteries. Since it'll be for work, I don't want to have to be someplace, need to use these, and then it need to be charged with some stupid proprietary cable. I would love to use the Death Adder V2 Pro Wireless. But Micro B, it's not necessarily proprietary, but you do need to cut one down to fit in there. And I just don't want to have to deal with that. So even though it's Bluetooth, I don't have to deal with any sort of proprietary charging. If the SteelSeries Rival 3 wireless gets back in stock anytime soon, I'll probably pick one of those up. Otherwise, if you guys have suggestions for wireless, Bluetooth, and AA or AAA battery mice, preferably gaming mice, because they're available now in that form, let me know. And I'd appreciate it. So, things might be a bit different. You might see a couple more videos now that I got a new job, since it'll be a regular schedule. Still working the old one for a bit yet, and we'll see how this all goes. May probably have a video shortly about how some of that's going, working more directly into a more professional IT area. And I'm gonna get that guy programmed up now and ready to go. We'll see you in the next one.